In this lecture, we will create and use the functional interfaces. Go to Eclipse, create a new project called Java8 features. Java8 features. Go to the source folder, create a new interface. Call it A, capital A, finish. A functional interface is an interface with one abstract method, void my method, and it becomes a functional interface. But to mandate, now if I add one more method, it allows me to do that. My method 1, no issues. But to mandate that this is a functional interface, we can use the at functional interface annotation that was added in Java8. This is from the java.lang package, and immediately the compiler complains that A is not a functional interface, invalid at functional interface annotation. So it is checking if there are more than one abstract methods, and it throws that error. So get rid of the second abstract method, and our interface A is a functional interface again. So it's not mandatory to mark it with a at functional interface, but if you want the compiler to catch and ensure that we are not adding any more abstract methods, then you should mark it with at functional interface annotation. That will help us use this interface for lambda expressions. Let's extend this interface, new, create another interface, B, click on the add button, search for A. Select the very first one, A, which says the default package. Click OK, finish. Now B cannot define any new classes or any new methods if it wants to be a functional interface. For example, void my method 1. Save it. Now if I do this, B is no more a functional interface. It is a normal regular interface that can be used. But if I mark it with at functional interface annotation, again you will see that invalid functional interface annotation, B is not a valid functional interface. So get rid of the new method. We can have the exact same method which is there in A in B as well. Copy paste that, and there are no issues with that. But if you try to add new methods, then you will see that error.